Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have two enhanced risk areas today. One enhanced risk today covers parts of Nebraska. A second enhanced today covers East Central South Dakota, much of Minnesota, and West Central Wisconsin. Cities in today's enhanced include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. We have a slight today that covers southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, far southeastern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, much of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, northern and western Iowa, parts of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. Cities in today's slate include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Billings, Montana, and Rochester, Minnesota. And we have a marginal today that covers parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, parts of Colorado, parts of North Dakota, northern South Dakota, far southwestern and far southeastern Nebraska, parts of Kansas, western Oklahoma, much of the Oklahoma Panhandle, the eastern half of the Texas Panhandle, extreme northwestern Missouri, parts of Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, the western part of the peninsula of Upper Michigan, and northern Minnesota. Cities in today's marginal include Wichita, Kansas, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, Fort Collins, Colorado, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east, central South Dakota, far northern Iowa, much of Minnesota, and west central Wisconsin. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. We have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that covers south central Montana, parts of Wyoming, northern Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, parts of northern Iowa, parts of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Billings, Montana, Duluth, Minnesota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Going to the wind threat for today, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of Nebraska. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include North Platte, Nebraska. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, most of South Dakota, far southeastern North Dakota, much of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northwestern Kansas, western and northern Iowa, most of Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, parts of Colorado, parts of North Dakota, northern South Dakota, far southwestern and far southeastern Nebraska, much of Kansas, western Oklahoma, much of the Oklahoma Panhandle, the eastern half of the Panhandle of Texas, far northwestern Missouri, much of Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, the western part of the peninsula of Upper Michigan, and northern Minnesota. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter. Why'd you do that? There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing East, Central South Dakota, much of Minnesota, or parts of Minnesota, I should say, and West Central Wisconsin. Cities in the 30% hail risk area today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Bloomington, Minnesota, Plymouth, Minnesota, and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. Again, that 30% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. That encompasses southeastern Montana, parts of Wyoming, much of South Dakota, far southeastern North Dakota, northern Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, parts of Minnesota. Well, I think I said northern Nebraska here, right? Northern Nebraska is here. I don't know if I said something else, so I'm just clarifying that this is northern Nebraska. So yeah, I might have said Minnesota by accident, so if I did, I'm sorry. Northern Nebraska. Parts of Minnesota, which is right here. Northwestern Iowa, and western Wisconsin. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Billings, Montana, Rochester, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota, and Sioux City, Iowa. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Bloomington, Minnesota, and Plymouth, Minnesota. Again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And finally, we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, eastern Colorado, parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, the southern half of Nebraska, most of Kansas, western Oklahoma, most of the Oklahoma Panhandle, the eastern half of the Texas Panhandle, extreme northwestern Minnesota, or excuse me, not Minnesota, I meant extreme northwestern Missouri, parts of Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, parts of Minnesota, and western part of the peninsula of Upper Michigan. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Wichita, Kansas, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms capable of producing severe gusts, large hail, and perhaps a couple tornadoes are forecast today from the north central high plains into the upper Mississippi Valley. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today. Remain vigilant. Have something to inform you for severe weather, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And yeah, and I will have my day 2 outlook this afternoon. Though my day 2 outlook will be out later than usual today. Just so everybody's aware, my day 2 outlook will be out later than usual today. So, just, so stay safe today, and I will see you in my day 2 outlook. Take care.